Welcome to Pomelo DIY. It isn't cold enough this year and we miss white winter. So today we'll make our own beautiful frosted windows with Epsom salt. It's such an easy crystal science project and it works no matter what your weather is. How did you like our video? Let us know, and please don't forget to subscribe. See you in Pomelo again!